graph the system of inequalities, find the coordinates of any vertices formed. We have 2y minus x is greater than or equal to negative 7. 2y plus 3x is less than or equal to 15. Y is less than or equal to 0, and x is less than or equal to 0. We need to graph each of the inequalities separately and then find where the solution sets overlap. For the first one, if we graph that, we're going to graph the line 2y minus x equals negative 7 first. And we'll graph that line with whatever method we want to use. And then we need to determine which half plane we would color or shade in. We can use the test point 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is greater than or equal to negative 7. So we are going to shade above this line the half plane that includes the origin 0, 0. Next, let's work on the next inequality. 2y plus 3x is less than or equal to 15. Again, we're going to graph the line 2y plus 3x equals 15, and we'll graph it solid because it includes the less than or equal to sign includes the line. And if we graph that line, we see that it goes right around here. And then we would need to determine which side of this would be shaded. Again, let's use the point 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 15. That's true. So we will graph the side of the line that would contain 0, 0, which would be the half plane below this line. Then we have y is less than or equal to 0. If y is less than or equal to 0, we are coloring in below the x-axis. If x is less than or equal to 0, we are going to shade in to the left of the y-axis. Now, if we're below this, to the left of this, above this, we're really going to be looking at this section right here. Now, you'll notice that this inequality here does not even figure much into this because it's all below that, but it has to also be below this corner as well. This is the graph of the system of inequalities. The vertices are here and here. Well, this is the origin, so the coordinates of this vertex are 0, 0. This is the line 2y minus x is greater than or equal to negative 7. If x is 0, then y has to be negative 7 halves. So this is the point 0, negative 7 halves. So these are the coordinates of the vertices that were formed.